Hey guys, today I wanted to give you a quick tip on how to get a nice glue seam on a extra long tabletop. And this is especially nice when working with really wide boards or slabs that are difficult to get to the table saw or joiner. Now, this process involves a straight edge and a router. Now, before you can start this process, you need to get your slabs remotely straight. So a chalk line and a circular saw or a track saw would be ideal for this. Now here is the router that I'm going to be using. It's a Bosch and a 3/4 inch straight bit. Now the larger the diameter of the bit, the better the cut's going to be, and really the safer the cut's going to be. I get everything lined up, and sometimes I'll do this in 2 passes, but most of the time I'm able to do it in one, taking off about a 1/16 to an 1/8 of an inch per pass. Now as I'm got each slab set up to make the pass, I go ahead and switch over to my domino to cut some slots there for alignment, similar to what you would do with a biscuit joiner. With this particular glue up, this is a 10.5 foot long kitchen island top, and it is 2 book match slabs with a about 12-inch wide board down the center. And I'll just use a regular F-style clamp to help bring those boards into alignment. This seems to work pretty good for me. Alright guys, I hope this helped.